Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 8 of Snackmas for Santa. Santa's going to be making his way to Mexico at some point, and my dear loyal E thought he might like La Cocina. This is a new flavor. This is cinnamon sugar churro tortilla chips. How interesting. This is 200 grams. These are the nutrition facts. Per 40 chips or 50 grams, it's 250 calories, 12 grams of fat, 6 grams of sugar, and 5 milligrams of sodium. It is stone ground corn. It is gluten-free. This is made in Canada from domestic and imported ingredients. So let's get tasting on the Cocina churro flavored tortilla chips. See if it's Santa approved. Want some? Now, I don't know what you would be eating this with. Like cinnamon sugar flavored tortillas. Do you eat this with salsa? I do have a dip recipe on the back. Let's get tasting on La Cocina churro flavored tortilla chips. Bon appetit, joyeux Noël. The flavor isn't overpowering. It's interesting. Now, what's in this dip recipe? Mascarpone, ricotta, vanilla extract, and icing sugar. 4 cups of fruit finely diced, and some lemon juice. This is more like a sweet tortilla chip. It's a dessert tortilla chip. Interesting. I'd probably just eat it as is. No dip needed. The Cocina churro flavored tortilla chips, cinnamon sugar. It's a yellow light. It's a potential repurchase. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's a yellow light. It's a potential repurchase. Interesting. If you like cinnamon sugar and you want a chip that's not savory, this is the one. It's not bad, but not loving it, but not hating it. That is day 8 of Snackmas for Santa. Come back for day 9, see what I picked up for Santa on this Snackmas for Santa.